Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be learning about iterators in Ruby. It is a very special statement which helps us to do a lot of things and doing it very easily. Just look at the statement I have just written. It says 0 dot up to in bracket there is 10 do puts hello world and end. Is it more human readable? Yes, it says starting from 0 up to 10, write hello world on the console. Is that what it does? Let's check out. So we are into our example folder. Exactly. As you can see, it have printed hello world for the 10 times in our console. Let's have a look again. The syntax is 0, which is the initialization, up to 10. What it does is, it starts the range from the number 0 to 10 and iterate through each and every number. Then it takes this do and end code block, which is puts hello world, and on every iteration it is putting this. That means it is executing this code block between do and end, and as a result we get this hello world 10 times. Let's reduce it to 5, save the file, and let's check it again. As you can see, the change have been made. Now let's do one more thing. Let us keep track on the number of iteration or the number of iteration which is going on right now. Let's say num. Now what I'm doing is, after do in these pipelines, I'm writing a variable. The variable name can be anything. In this case I have done num. You can make it x, y, I, j, whatever you want. And what we are doing is, we are printing the num along with the string. So what it's supposed to do is, it's supposed to do hello world and the number of iteration going on right now, and it will be doing it on the range 0 to 5. We have saved the file and let's check the output. Here it is. It has started from 0. So at 0th iteration it says hello world 0.toString. That means this 0. In the same way 1, 2, 3 up to 5. So this is what we can do with iteration, and it is a very unique and useful feature of Ruby. Thank you.